Hey family, welcome back to Morning Cook. I'm so happy you're here with me today. So today we are going to be making an immune booster drink, okay? So if you live down where we live in Massachusetts, the weather have been really, bad, up and down, in a given day. It can be hot and then the next day it's cold. So you want to make sure your immune system is strong. So today, what we're going to be using to make that drink, as you can see, I already prepped all my fruits. This is pineapple. I have oranges. Over here, I have my ginger. In here, I have my key lime and I have my lemon. So usually I don't use this carrot, but I'm all out, so I end up using baby carrot, but you can buy. And also you can add turmeric to it, but the store where I usually buy the fresh one was out, so I opt to not use any turmeric on this one. So we're gonna be using my NutriBullet juicer, and of course I have my pitcher. This is where I'm gonna be mixing everything, okay? So let's get started. Connect your blender. You can either turn it high or low. For me, I'm gonna use high, okay? So that all my vegetables and fruits can juice properly. So all you do is add it, cover it because you don't want it to spill, and then you go ahead and turn it. So as you go along, keep an eye out on this because it's gonna be full. You don't want it to spill. So as you can see, mine is full. I'm gonna empty it out into my big pitcher. So next, I'm gonna do the ginger. Also, as you go along, don't forget to empty it out, okay? Because if it's full, it's not gonna blend properly. So before you empty it out, go ahead and unplug it just to be safe, okay? So as you can see, mine is full. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take the machine apart so I can empty it. You see? This is what it looks like full. Go ahead and reattach it. mouth. After you finish juicing all your fruits and vegetables, just go ahead, pour everything together. And give it a good mix. So you can go ahead and leave it in here if you want. Just cover it. Or you can go ahead and transfer them in these little bottles, single serving bottles. So this is what it would look like if you do that. All you do now is put these in the fridge and grab one every morning. This is single serving. See? Beautiful color. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.